Yeah, it is getting dark. It is getting dark now, and later on the video quality of this GoPro will not be good anymore. It's still possible to make a nice footage, video footage with this GoPro, but yeah, you need to adjust the settings. Still have no coffee this time. The first coffee shop that I'm going to see is just there in the train station, but that will be $4-5. I will keep on moving, walking all the way to the offices area and the CBD. There are lots of 7-Eleven there. Oh, I decided to take the tram, and we're going to stop on the first 7-Eleven that I'm going to see along the way. And we are now here in Wynyard Station. This restaurant is busy. Look at their kitchen. Yeah, they are very busy inside. Oh, let me show you in one of this in one of the restaurant here. Yeah, it's a fine dining restaurant, and yeah, I did this like a trial. Yeah, so basically on this restaurant they are doing their own cheese. Yeah, they are doing things from scratch and very strict. Actually, Abby also works there, because me, I did not continue because I don't like, and Abby continued to work. And yeah, Abby was working from 10 o'clock in the morning start and finish sometime by 1 o'clock. Very long hours of work, and that is how it is mostly here in Sydney. Even in Dubai, the same long hours of work, but that is actually illegal. But you know, some employer, they do that. Oh, I forgot to tap out from the tram station. Look at this. On the side of the tramway, there are benches like this, and people are relaxing. This is a convenience store, but it's not 7-Eleven. Actually, there's no name, no brand. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, how beautiful it is in here. Yeah, really beautiful. You know, my English is not enough to express my feelings. I mean, to express my, you know, admiration about the beauty of this place. I came here through the Google map, and I saw it as a club. So basically last night, yeah, I ran out of time. I ran to the car park to get the car because yeah, I need to pay for the extra car park if I stay a little bit longer or if I get there late. Yeah, and so I drive and went to so many places. Yeah, and yeah, I stay for a little bit in those places, browsing for a place to stay for the night. And yeah, this is the final one where I stay actually last night. Actually, I did not sleep in this car park, because there is big notes on the entrance that no overnight stay or no camping. And so what I did is I stay on the road, on the street, because there are also other cars on the street. Yeah, but very near to this actual car park. Yeah, and then so when I wake up, I transfer to this car park, and then I tried to continue sleeping again. That area, that is the Coogee beach. Actually, we are going there now. I am sure that Australia is one of the most, one with the most beautiful coastal cities. Yeah, maybe even coastal towns. If you look at that, yeah, it's beautiful for me. residential area, beaches, rock formation. Yeah, look at those, it's beautiful. And look at those two guys, they are doing some construction, like a DIY. There is a walkway from here all the way to the Coogee beach. Oh, I may be in the wrong way. Is there a way to go up? Probably. Looks like no way. But you know, some people, they made a way here. Yeah, it's going direct to the water. Look at those flowers, beautiful. Yeah, it was very tiring to get up here. Yeah, I just read online that one of the houses just sold $4 million in the area between Coogee Beach and Bondi Beach. That airplane is Qantas. Yeah, and there is a small beach here. The water is like a swimming pool. Very nice. Look at this, there's a boat here, and they made that kind of a structure to slide the boat to get up here. Very nice idea. Oh yeah, so that is the map. So where I actually park is in Clovelly. Yeah, it's really beautiful. I feel like I need to show you everything that I am seeing. This is the end of the walkway. We are now in the road here in Coogee Beach. Yeah, but there is actually another way here. People made a way here, so we're going to go this way. And there's this beautiful flower, a lot of them. Oh, actually I don't want to go there because yeah, later when I'm going back to the car, I'll go to that side. Oh no, there is no way here going to the car park. So yeah, we go this way first. I can see from here the car park. I need to take off this Pepsi. Yeah, it's getting hot. Look at this, it's scary. And we are back in the actual walking track, and that is the Coogee Beach. We are going first to explore the shops and restaurant in the area. Yeah, there is this shop restaurant. Most of the people inside are like a nomad, digital nomad. They are on their computer while having coffee, like that guy, like this lady. Whoa, it's big restaurant, and they are open kitchen, really nice. Yeah, the name is Coogee Pavilion. And this is the residential area here in Coogee Beach. They also have this playground. I can see there is a McDonald's. In the Philippines, McDonald's is McDo. Here in Australia, it's Macas. So from the beach, there is middle islands, and there is one kind of restaurant. Coogee Kiosk is the name. And then the street, and then this lane of shops and restaurant here. And I remember that we eat here. Yeah, because we come here before. Me, Kino, Emil, and Caramel. Yeah, we actually come here before, and we walked all the way to Bondi Beach. And walking all the way to Bondi Beach, it took about 4 hours, but it was relaxed walking. And yeah, we stop from time to time, and along the beach there are several more beautiful beaches. Yeah, and there are also cemetery, residential area, but it's a good walk. Actually, there are more shops and restaurants in this area. This is like their main road. Oh, I am tempted to buy one of those Sprites. Very nice. Yeah, I'm really happy to see you know, a place like this with so many people. It means that yeah, the business is doing very well. Yeah, every shops, every restaurant that I am seeing, yeah, they have people eating. So this looks like the end of the commercial area. There are still some over there, but the rest that I can see are residential. Look how expensive the meals they have in here. Fish and chips is $27. That's like 2 fish and chips in a regular place. The temperature is just good, yeah, because of the nice wind breeze, and the heat of the sun is bearable. For sure it is actually going to give a sunburn. It is good that it is free parking in this area, in this place, yeah, but there's just a limit, 4 hours limit. There is the City Mart convenience store on that side, and a while ago I saw a Easy Shop on that side, but yeah, I've never seen any 7-Eleven yet since I arrived yesterday. That magpie attacked me. This is already the 3rd time that magpie attacked me. Also this birds is also trying to attack me. It is the front area of the beach. Whoa, wow, beautiful. And this is how the people are here in the beach. Yeah, there's actually a covered area. I like places like this, beaches, because yeah, because of its beauty, but not for swimming for me. First reason is I don't know how to swim. Second reason is the sunburn. But I like beaches because they are beautiful. So I decided, instead of going to the same way, going to the Coogee beach, yeah, I will go through the road area so I can see the residential, commercial area more. This is more of the residential commercial area here. What you do for a living? And the sidewalk is actually a stairway. So there are some mattress here. Oh, this crib is still good condition. Also that speaker. You know, when I was getting up here, I was thinking, how about the garbage of every house is here? Yeah, and then I realized that there is actually a way. Yeah, there is a walkway, like a garage. Under this walkway, this footpath, and that is where they get out the garbage bin. So their walkway is under this footpath. The houses in here looks like an old but beautiful. Yeah, we are now here in Coogee Road, and this is actually heading to where I park the car. Walking in the city and walking in the bush or in the forest, yeah, they are two different beautiful things to do. Because if you walk in the city, you're going to see the beauty that is created by nature and people. And if you walk in the bush or in the forest, you're going to see the natural beauty. And in this area where I slept last night, yeah, because there are many vehicles that are parked, so I park also, and that is where I sleep. This is the beach that I was showing you. Yeah, that one. And like what I've said, there is a walkway all the way along the beach, going to the Bondi Beach, even all the way to the Watson Bay. So the car park is on that side, and this is actually the Coogee Beach. And they have this swimming pool here. And if you look at it, it looks like a river, but a short one. It looks like that. So it becomes like a very small beach, but it's long all the way to that side. And there's one restaurant here. I'm actually tempted to buy fish and chips or calamari and chips, but it's $18. I think it's okay, $18. I don't want to explore the other side because I have no limited time. The car park for me is valid only until 12 o'clock for the 4 hours limit. Yeah, we're going to go get that fish and chips. Actually calamari with chips. And we are back here in the car, and this is the calamari that I got. Yeah, 2, 4, 5, 8 pieces of calamari. and french fries and tartar sauce, lemon. And it is now exactly 12 o'clock. You know, it's already 12:05 when I left the car park, and there is a council that is roaming over there. Yeah, so I am worried that maybe they recorded that I stay more than 12 o'clock, so maybe I'm going to receive a fine, a penalty, I don't know. Hopefully not. That's why I stopped here, because I need to set up the GPS going to Nelson Bay.